Before switching on the air compressor, check if any oil leakage or any loose screws or bolts, and make sure the voltage is right. Slightly open the drain bowl valve at the bottom of the air-oil separator to drain the condensate water inside. Close it immediately when oil flowing outside. Check if the oil level is between the two scales before switching on the compressor. Fill the oil if it's lower than the minimum level. Turn on the refrigerator air dryer, then switch on the air compressor after the dryer is in suitable working condition. Press the stop button. If any abnormal noise or emergency, press the emergency stop button. Reaching up to a pointed value, open the bowl valve of the second air dryer to let air flow. Then check if drainer, air receiver, and light filter stream out clearly. Turn off the whole system like this. Desiccant air driver, air compressor, refrigerating air driver, all blow off by the end. Press the stop button and then turn off the power. If not emergency, please don't press the emergency stop